We've got a breaking update right now in election 2020. Early this morning, a judge ruled against extending Florida's voter registration deadline for a second time. In his ruling, he says the court cannot make up for the failures of the state's registration portal. But as ABC Action News reporter Lorna Zella shows us, he also came down hard on Florida elections officials, saying this should have never happened.
Judge Mark Walker admonishing state election officials for how they handled problems with the online registration portal. In his ruling, he says the state chose to notify voters about an extension of the registration deadline during a normal workday, and then gave them just 7 hours to somehow become apprised of their rights and register. He said this in addition to participating in their normal workday, school, family, and caregiving responsibilities. He said, quote, "One would expect the state to make it easier for its citizens to vote." In his ruling, he went on to say that unfortunately for these potential voters, this court cannot remedy what the state broke under these circumstances. This court must consider the consequences of extending the voter registration deadline. All of this comes after election officials told the court that the voter registration site hit 1 million visits an hour on Monday. That caused its online portal to crash, and the state pushed the deadline to 7 p.m. on Tuesday. But soon after, a coalition of civil rights groups sued, saying people needed more time and notice. The Florida Secretary of State says that a law enforcement investigation revealed that there was no outside interference or malicious activity that caused the site to fail. In Tampa, I'm Lauren Rosella, ABC Action News.